Unit 1. A and B we finished. Now in this session we are going to continue with the topic C. Right? The name of the lesson is Little Bobby. Little Bobby. Here I think the title itself you understood. The character's name in this lesson, Bobby. One boy's feelings. Okay? I hope this situation, the situation which the boy experiences, such experience definitely in your life you will feel it once. Okay? Let's go to the lesson. Before, it is a conversation, it is the slightest conversation between a mother and a son. The lesson, the center part of the lesson, the consistency and the characters will be moved on. Only two characters. Those characters are mother and son. Okay? Then, if a son to his birthday, he will expect a gift. How he will expect a gift? What type of gift he will expect from his mom? Will the mother accept it pleasantly? Will she give the gift? And if he receives, whether he had received it on time, we are going to see everything in this lesson now. Let's go to the lesson. Let's begin the lesson. Before I begin the lesson, go to the page number 20. Go to the page number 20. If you open this, you will find the content. You will find the lesson related of the little boy. Okay? Our C part. See 9, 20, 21, 22. These three page numbers you have this lesson. I am going to read the lesson. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. So, one day little Bobby, he had decided to speak to his mother. Okay? Why? What was the occasion? It was his birthday. His birthday, but Bobby was a little troublemaker. Of course, at the age, all you are the troublemakers. Even though as you are grown up, you will trouble your parents. Even when you are as children, you will trouble your parents. Even the age of adult, even the age of teenage, even the childhood age. Whatever the stages may be, that you are the troublemakers forever and ever to your parents, right? I didn't mean that all you will be the troublemakers. Just in this lesson, how the boy is a troublemaker, not only to the parents, not only to father and mother, even to the teachers also he was a troublemaker. Even he was troubling the teachers at school. His mother knew it well. So, one day she was very busy in preparing dinner. This boy, Bobby, went seriously to his mother and he asked, Mom, do you know my birthday is coming and I am expecting a gift from you. Then she asked, come on, tell me what gift you want. Then he said that I need a bike. I need a bike for my birthday. Then he asked, why did you deserve a bike? Just tell the reason and write a letter and give me. If you deserve it, definitely I'll buy. You should write the right reason. Why you deserve a bike? If you tell me the genuine reason, definitely I'll give you the gift of a bike to your birthday. She had said. Okay, she said it openly. And little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. So, Bobby's mother, she knew it well. Bobby did not deserve a bike. See, in some stage, it is an immature stage. Maturity then comes when you enter the teenage. Of course, to some people, to some children, they don't get maturity in that stage also. Right? They don't think properly what was their parents' condition. But particularly in age, which was a sensitive 5 to 10 years. this stage is very sensitive stage, right? This stage in such a way it is sensitive, they will start comparing themselves with others. Whatever the boy in neighborhood they used to get, I want that. Or if they go to shopping, if they see which was attracting to them to look, they will start crying for to get it. They will irritate the parents. Even Bobby's mother knew at that very well. Bobby was a troublemaker as well as at home and in the school. And she was also frustrated and irritated with the actions of Bobby. And directly, see here, his mother was very brilliant. She did not trouble him. She did not make it feel to create in his mind that, my mother is not buying anything for me. So she said openly, okay Bobby, I'll definitely buy a bike. But before you buy a bike, you should write one thing. Last year, until your birthday, before you enter your birthday, what have you done? Did you do any good thing at least? Just write a letter to the God. Go to your room, take a paper, one thing, just a good one, the job which was done by you, that is, which was very good. Just write a letter to the God. And while you deserve the bike also, you should mention the reason. So his mother had told him in a very nice way, he should know what he was. So that's why in a gentle manner she had told. And when he heard the words of his mother, he got a confidence. Let me write a letter to the God. Then if I get, if I write a right reason to the God, I might have got. So immediately he had gone to his room with Jessie. Jessie was the pet dog of Bobby. It followed him. Jessie also had followed to him into his room, and he started writing letter very seriously. Jesse was observing what he was going to do, Bobby. Letter one started. He started writing. To whom he has to write? To whom his mother told him to write? To God. Go to page number 21, students. If you open, your first page starts. 21 page starts with a letter. Okay, just see the letter. Here I am reading that. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year, and I would like to a bike for my birthday. I want a red bike. Your friend Bobby. So he had started writing to God, right? This year I behaved like a very good boy. I did not do anything. My behavior is so genuine and so polite, so good. So for my behavior, in response to that, I need a bike. That too, he mentioned a particular color, a red one. Okay, and he had written a letter, and at last he has mentioned your friend Bobby. Okay, the person who has to receive God, and the person who had written it Bobby. And what's the reason he had mentioned it? He behaved very politely. For that he needed a bike. That too, a red color bike. Bobby knew that this was not true. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. So actually, to some children, they don't accept openly what the mistake has been committed by them. It's a completely a pleasure feeling an emotion bondage. They used to accept their mistakes openly. Some children will do it. See, have you taken the paper means? Yes, they'll say openly, yes, I tore the paper, I have taken the paper. Some students will not, they will lie. But here, Bobby knew it well that he was not a good boy at all. He did not behave properly. His behavior was very rude. He knew it well. So he is writing a letter to God. So that's why his inner sense did not accept him to lie. So he tore the paper. Again he started writing a letter to the God. Second letter. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Second letter also same content. What I behaved in this year like a good boy. So that's why I want a bike. Bobby knew that this was not true either. So he tore up the letter and started again. Letter 3. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. So third letter, what he had done, first two letters he said that he behaved in a very good manner. That's why for that he needed a red bike. In third letter, also his sense, before he write the third letter also he knew it. I am not a good boy. I did not behave well. Why should I ask bike to God? So he said in third letter that I am not a good boy. I am an okay boy. Okay boy means Okay, not good boy, not bad boy. He's an okay boy. For that I want a bike. But he knew that he could send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. So even this letter also he didn't like. Better he preferred to write the fourth letter. I know I have not been a good boy this year. I'm very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you, Bobby. So the fourth letter is completely related to him. He had written. What he had written this year, I did not behave. My behavior is not at all good. I did not behave in a very good way. I am not a good boy at all. He accepted. You see, accepting a mistake also is a great divine task, according to me. Most of the people they will like, but here in the fourth letter, he had accepted. This year, not an okay boy, not a good boy. I am not a good boy at all. I did not behave in a proper way. But I am promising you, this year, if you give me a bike, I will try to be good. And I will 100% sure that I will try to be good. So please send me a bike. He requested the God to send a bike. Go to the page number 22, students. Bobby knew, even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. He knew it, but of course he had written a letter. But God was not a neighbor that if we give a letter, God should give the bike to us. It's not possible, no? So he knew it. Even though he write a letter to the God, it was impossible to get him a bike. Then what he had decided, let's see. Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. So he went to downstairs. He had taken permission from his mom to go to the church. He decided to go to the church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked, as Bobby looked very sad. So actually, what his mother brilliantly, she had surrounded him. She captured him. He asked a bike. If he says directly that, no stupid fellow, I don't buy a bike means, he will frustrate. He will try to commit more mistakes. That's why very intelligently and brilliantly she structured him in such a way. Just note down why you need a bike. How you behaved this year. If you note it down, definitely God will send you the bike, she said. He did not write a right reason. He don't have a chance. So she had felt very happy that as Bobby looked very sad, she understood. And also she gave permission him to go. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Just come early for the dinner. Don't be late. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. He looked around to see if anyone was there. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street into the house and up to his room. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Letter 5. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike. Bobby. So, childish mentality. Children are immature. He knew it very well that he can't send a letter to the God. Even by knowing also, he went to the church. What he had seen the surroundings. As anyone is observing him. There is no one is there to observe. So he went to the very closest part of the God. A stage, altar in the sense, a stage which was very close to the God. And he went very closely. Do you know the Jesus Christ mother? A small statue will be now. She holds her son. So slowly he had taken it. He had stolen that statue and he put it in his pocket and he ran away to the house. Directly he went to his room. He closed the room. He started writing a letter to the God. In what way he is writing? I kidnapped your mom. Means Jesus Christ's mother statue will be now. He brought it now. Your mother is with me now. I kidnapped her. She was with me. If you want to see her, you should send me a bike. If you want to see your mom, you should send me a bike. See, children mentality will be like this. Right? Immature stage. They don't know what is right, what is wrong. They don't know what to do, what not to do. This is the stage, imbalanced one. Immaturity, absolutely immaturity. Even this stage, as this stage is very sensitive, children, your parents may not accept to give you everything. They may not be their economical position, their situations, the circumstances, how they live. These all will be taken into consideration. Right? When you had found, see Bobby character, just imagine all yourself in the character of Bobby. Absolutely, one other day, even we make our parents to get first frustrated. I want that, I want this. We won't think from the side of them. We don't think at least. Of course, some students, some children will do it. I'm not going to blame everyone. But it is a so sensitive stage. See how foolishly he had behaved. He knew it well that he can't send a letter to the God. And the God can't send him a bike. By knowing that, he went to the church and he kidnapped the statue of the goddess, mom of Jesus Christ. Statue he brought, he had stolen, and he had written a letter to the God that I kidnapped your mom. If you want to see your mom, you should send me a bike. See, any children will get such a type of thought, childish mentality and attitude. This shows completely a type of relevance and immaturity of the children. Knowingly, no one do the mistakes. And that to this stage, this boy, he's absolutely immature. He doesn't know. He can't kidnap his mom. And the God, why you kidnapped your mom? Give me my mom and I can give you a bike. Right? He can't offer like that. Even by knowing that also he had done it so. So, students, don't do the things with such a stubborn qualities that I want everything. Right? Nothing is impossible to a willing heart. Of course, nothing is impossible. I am not going to say that everything is possible. But in some situations, children with immaturity when they ask, even we should try to understand what is right and what is wrong. As you are 9th class, you know everything right. But this boy in this lesson, he was completely an immature boy. He doesn't know anything. And with that immaturity only, he had got the statue of God's mom and he asked him that, if you want your mom and I need a bike. This shows the completely an immaturity of a boy. Here we come to the end of the lesson. And students, if you go to the page number 22, you have a glossary, meanings, and also question answers. See here, there are 5 question answers, students. There are 5 question answers. So, what's your homework, See, already we started our unit 1, and in unit 1, we finished A and B. A, the snake and the mirror we have finished, and B, the duck and the kangaroo poem we have finished. Is not it? And now we had entered to the part of the C session with the little boy. The little boy also we come to the end. And as you are writing homework, you should have also maintained the classwork notes. You should have also maintained the classwork notes. In my next class, I will tell you how you should write the notes and how you should write the question answers. Everything I'll explain you in brief. Okay? But now, what's your homework? At the end of the lesson, in page number 22, you have 5 question answers. You have 5 question answers. And also meanings. But this is not important. What you should write, by reading the lesson, just write the summary of the lesson. Just write the summary of the lesson. Now, what's the name of the lesson? Little boy. This little boy lesson summary you should write. This is your homework. Just write down the homework. You must write this in your own words. In your own words, I explained the lesson, and also after the lesson, it is your responsibility to revise the lesson once again. Reading skills, listening, reading, speaking, writing. These 4 skills are essential and also very important to get a good grip on the language. Must know it well. So as you have used the skills in the right way, language is amazing, fabulous. It will be literally, it's to be open in such a way, you can write, you can read, you can listen, you can speak. Okay? Writing work, it's an impactful thought and also a noble work which brings you the right output, students. So I hope you will do it. The writing works which were given by the teachers, not only English, but also all the teachers' advices, listen the classes, implement them, use them, take the advices, and also implement in such a way in a way of writing. It is very important. As you got a long gap, it is must to make on you have to do. Let's meet in our next class. Thank you. See you again.